In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create video transitions in Canva. Transitions help your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next. And in Canva, they're quick to add and easy to fine-tune. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get clean, professional results. Start by opening a video template from your projects. This can be any design you've already started or a template you want to customize. Click the template to open it on the editor canvas. You'll see your pages or scenes in the timeline at the bottom. Between each pair of pages, look for the Add Transition button. Click it, and a panel will appear with a selection of transition styles. Choose any transition to begin. As you click different options, Canva will preview the animation so you can see how it feels before committing. Most transitions include controls for direction and speed. Use these to match the mood of your video. For example, change the direction to steer movement left, right, up, or down, and adjust speed to make the motion snappier or smoother. Tweak the settings based on your preference until the motion complements your footage rather than distracting from it. You can repeat this by clicking Add Transition between other pages. Feel free to mix it up. Canva lets you use different animations from page to page. A subtle variety can keep a longer video engaging while maintaining a consistent style. For a versatile, smart-looking effect, try Match and Move. It analyzes elements across pages and creates a transition that feels connected, which often looks great in many edits. After selecting it, adjust the duration slider to set how long the transition plays. Shorter durations feel brisk and modern. Longer durations feel more cinematic. Find the timing that supports your pacing. When you're ready to check your work, click Preview to watch the sequence in motion. If something feels off, change the speed, direction, or the transition itself. To iterate, open the Animations panel again and try an alternative until it fits the tone of your project. If you want the same transition across the entire video for a unified look, use Apply between all pages. This ensures consistency without having to set each one manually. Once applied, click Preview again to review the full video and confirm everything flows the way you want. And that's it. You've added transitions, customized their direction, speed, and duration, and previewed your edit to make sure it's just right. Follow these steps whenever you build a video in Canva to keep your storytelling smooth, polished, and professional.